In 1804, a nation did what the world called impossible. Ayiti freed herself. Tonight, that same nation steps onto the world's biggest stage. For the first time in 52 years, Haiti is back at the World Cup and the whole diaspora is rising together. From Philadelphia to Miami, Boston to Brooklyn, Pòtoprens to Paris. In Philadelphia, the heartbeat of the diaspora is the Rara Band, a mobile cultural embassy of pride. From North Philly to the Olney neighborhood, the rhythms of resistance and joy lead the way. Hundreds of fans unite, chanting Grenadye, alaso through the streets of the city of brotherly love. For generations, we cheered for others. Tonight, we cheer for us. Haitian pour Haiti, Haitians for Haiti. This is more than a match. It's our music, our food, our flag, our pride, seen by the world on our own terms. So raise the rouge et bleu. Lift your voice with the whole diaspora. A, ote, wekechi, ortin. Grenadye, alaso, Grenadye, alaso. From all of us at Dr. Vermeille Global EdTech and Research, we are with you. And Sipòte Grenadye yo, ale Ayiti.